Good evening. As the wife of a war-wounded soldier, I'm not here to list the struggles. After all, this is a life we chose. The uniform of the Indian Army does not come with complaints. We know that. It comes with commitment. And we have no regrets. But do understand, choosing sacrifice does not mean accepting injustice. 22 years ago, my husband came back from the battlefield with one artificial leg. And when he came back with his head high. However, when he wore his uniform that day, he did not negotiate the risk. He did not calculate the cost. He did not ask whether sacrifice would be tax exempt. He gave his limb to this nation, to his nation. And today, we are told that a disability pension can be treated as income. Really? Income? Is losing a leg an earning? Is permanent pain a privilege? A war-wounded soldier's disability pension is not a profit. It is not a bonus. It is acknowledgement of a loss that can never truly be compensated. I'm not here as an activist. I'm not here as a political voice. I'm here as a Fauji wife. Neither do we ask for sympathy, nor do we ask for favors. But when policies touch the dignity of those who have already paid in blood, it stops being a financial decision. It becomes a moral one. And honor is non-negotiable. Sacrifice is not taxable. And dignity is not optional. I hope this message reaches the right authorities. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.